let me show you how to get any business book that can help you to level up. I'm talking about inspirational books, motivational, business related, right? Books that are going to help you. You read them, you learn from authors who've made millions, and then you simply read them and learn from their experience. So what you're going to do, just give me a second. Let me share my screen, right? When you come to this website, first one is Google. I'm going to search for any book, right? A random book. I don't have one in mind, but I'll just say best business books, right? Then this is what Google shows me. Like, these are some of the best business books out there. Let me just scroll here and show you just a few more. Let me just scroll here and see. Okay, let's look at this one. Build, Don't Talk, right? It's by Raj Shamani. Can you see the price? Normally, you have to buy this book. So what you're going to do instead is that you're going to come to this website, which is called oceanofpdf.com, right? See the link there? You're just going to come to this website and you're going to get the name of the book and search for it. Build, Don't Talk. So I'm just going to type that here. Build, Don't Talk. And then we see what pops up. Don't. Like, can you see sometimes it's just the way that you write it, right? I didn't put this apostrophe thing, but there is a book that I'm looking for. Build, Don't Talk. Things you wish you were taught in school. So I'm going to click on that. And then it's going to come to this page where it says that you can get the PDF version or the EPUB. Now, let's confirm that this is the same book. Build, Don't Talk. Can you see the cover? It's the same as this one, right? Things you wish you were taught in school. Can you see it's the same things you wish you were taught in school? So you're going to scroll down until you see this option which says PDF. Now, I think it works the same for mobile. But yeah, this is what basically happens. And then you will come to this page. And as you're on this page, it's going to load up and something is going to pop up that says download. Now, I don't know how it works. Did you see that? Did you see that? I don't know how it works on mobile, but did you see something just popped up on my screen there? And if I click on it, guess what? We've just downloaded the book. Can you see how many pages it is? 178 pages. So as you scroll, you can read through this book absolutely for free. Yes, these books are there on sale, but maybe let's say you don't have the money to buy the book. This is a website that you can actually buy this book. Now, some of you might be saying, but Marshall, isn't this illegal? Marshall, isn't there copyright infringement? Those are good questions to ask. I don't know. I'm not giving you any financial advice here. I'm not pretending to be a lawyer who knows these things. All I'm saying is that this website is on the internet and it's been there for a long time, right? And the authors of these books probably know about this website, but they haven't taken it down. I'm just showing you the information. What you do with the information is up to you. I'm just saying that if you want to level up your game, you want to make yourself better, you want to grow, you need to grow by reading books. So by you coming to this website and downloading books for free and learning from them, you can level up yourself. See you in the next video.